All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm in the house with a ZY EDC MT-01, what a name, slider, clicker, fidget toy here with me for a review. We're going to analyze the look, the sound, and the feel of this little fella right over here, but don't forget to like, subscribe, leave me a comment down below. Check out Fablades.com and at Fablades on Instagram. Let me know what you guys think, and look at this. Pretty cool one, very interesting design, futuristic. It comes in variants of flavors like titanium. This is the Zirc polished, a pretty rare one. It's very interesting. At the beginning, it reminded me of a tractor, you know, with a big wheel on the back. But then it kind of reminds some sort of gun, you know, where you can cock the gun like that. I don't know. It's just me. Anyways, it's very futuristic design. Quite complex, I have to say, even if it doesn't look like that. So you have this wheel right over here, which is your clicker, rocker, like with a very subdued sound and very cool feel. Not too strong, very low pitched clicks, but pleasant, absolutely. On this side, you can see like the on-off logo. Right, and you get MT-01, couple of milled out areas and spots for treats right here, right there, and right there. I don't see anything else. You have a lanyard option over here, so if you want to use this guy as a keychain, sure. So you have the slider part, which is right here, and the clicker part, which is here. This is really smooth, and this is a little bit less smooth, but I mean, like this divot here, like it's perfect for your thumb because you're gonna just push this guy out and just pull that in. So this thing has 1, 2, 3, 4 states, and it comes with some extra hardware, which I think it's a little bit different. It's going to be giving a little bit of a different feel to this fella. Let's quickly check the size. So you have like 2.2 inches for the length and 0.8, and I would say like what is that, 4.34 inches. So not too big. I'm just going to show you a couple of other options right over here. Here you get the bulletproof shield from Wanwu Studio. This is Tom EDC Mahjong slider. I want to show you also the Timb Bullet Luger haptic coin, some tiny ones. This is the Maki. This is the CP3, if I'm not mistaken. And what else can I show you? A couple big ones. Muji, that's the Capsule Spinner, of course, beautiful one. And telephone dial by Black Mirror Design. Another Maki Zirc, that's the CP2. And what else you want to see? Something more? Sure, like why not? AC EDC, that is the gamer clicker. And all right, that's it. The last one I'm showing you, and I'm done. That's the gamer slider. Ooh, amazing one. Anyways, this fella is pretty interesting, tiny, not too heavy actually. Let's check the weight. But it looks good. This part is the one that is like a little bit less pleasant. Maybe it's just me. This I love. That's pretty cool. Let's see how much is the weight. 2.05 ounces in your pocket. Not too shabby. It's a very interesting one. Cool, pretty quirky design, but kind of dig it, especially this wheel. Pretty good. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.